Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix messenger notes not showing problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, so for that what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all open up your messenger app. Now as you can see, for me I can clearly see the notes uploaded by the people itself. But if you're not being able to access, for example, if I scroll to this section and I cannot find no notes, that does not mean I do not have the notes accessed. They have simply not posted any. So that can be the cause as well. You might have seen this interface and have assumed maybe your notes are not working. Otherwise, if your notes are showing and not showing even though you have that feature available, what you need to do is you can simply go ahead, go to your app store and check out the availability, the update of your app, because that's simply a new feature, and if your app is not updated you will not be able to have the access. Search up your messenger app right over here and tap on it and see whether it shows or asks for update. Update will be written over here. Tap on it, it will simply update your app, reinstall it, and simply have access to all of the new features including the note one. And once you have done it, tap on open and you shall be able to see your notes. Otherwise, go ahead, re-sign in again and you're good to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.